Welcome to another video. My name is Grace Kelly. Today I want to show you how here in the village we usually carry heavy rods on our head. I'm heading to the Posh omill, and now you can see I've come from the wrong way, from down there, from these small streets in the village here, small roads as you can see, and now I'm heading to the Posh omill. It is very far from here, so we have to walk so that you make your muscles flexible. This is it. We are moving. There are beautiful trees here. These are small roads, as you can see here. Wow. There is someone there who is building a home, but he has not finished, as you can see here. So here I've come from home, and then I'm heading to the Posh omill. I want to show you how we are going to grind this maize meal here for Gary. And I'm gonna show you how here they have harvested, and now you can see the cows are grazing. The cattle in the village, cattle in the village. Wow, it's a kind evening. Things are not easy here in the village. So this is how we move in the village, being heavy loaded on the head, as you can see. I'm heading now. Ene inatoka kamera poa. See how far it is. Going all the way that far, and we have not reached there. This is a truck that I'm going to buy some vegetables with. I'm carrying here on the side, and this is my wallet. Now we have to move so quickly so that I'll be back early, as you can see. In the village, if you want to go somewhere, you have to carry everything on your head. If you want shortcuts, you have to go with your legs. There is some motorbikes, but they are not here now. I have to walk from here so that I want the Posh omill to grind the corn. Stop.